read with Little Learning Loop. Come and meet someone very special in my family. Let's go. My sister. My sister. It's your turn to read now. I have a caring sister. I have a caring sister. It's your turn to read now. She is kind too. She is kind too. It's your turn to read now. We play games every day. We play games every day. It's your turn to read now. We have lots of fun. We have lots of fun. It's your turn now. My sister helps me study. My sister helps me study. Let's see if you can read. I help her too. I help her too. It's your turn now. She enjoys drawing with me. She enjoys drawing with me. It's your turn to read. She loves storybooks. She loves storybooks. Let's see if you can read. We share many things. We share many things. It's your turn now. She makes me smile. She makes me smile. Let's see if you can read. My sister is very special. My sister is very special. It's your turn now. She is my biggest support. She is my biggest support. It's your turn now. Good job, kids! Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions. Thank you for watching.